Designing modern devices means balancing advanced functionality with shrinking space. Engineers face the challenge of creating precise, responsive, and reliable solutions in increasingly compact environments. The KSC2 DCT tactile switch solves this problem with innovative design and unmatched performance. The KSC2 DCT is an addition to the dual-circuit technology switch portfolio, providing a lower actuator height for your design requirements. The KSC2 DCT introduces the smallest available actuator height, 3.5 mm, making it ideal for slim and space-constrained designs. With reduced travel distance, it enables faster signal registration, improving responsiveness in applications where every millisecond counts. This tactile switch features dual-circuit technology, a single-pole double-throw configuration that generates two independent output signals. This enhances reliability and functionality, enabling complex control schemes, active failure detection, and streamlined circuit design. The electrical height specification further sets the KSC2 DCT apart by ensuring precise and consistent switching positions relative to the PCB. With tighter tolerances and reduced variability, integration is simplified, saving time and boosting design accuracy. Designed for versatility, the KSC2 DCT is perfect for applications across a wide range of markets, including high-end consumer electronics like power tools and snowblowers, medical devices such as electrosurgical instruments, industrial systems from elevators to fire alarms, transportation, including automotive door handles and EV charging systems. Compact, reliable, and versatile, the KSC2 DCT tactile switch delivers the precision, speed, and advanced functionality you need to bring your designs to life. Discover how the KSC2 DCT can enhance your next project. For datasheets, samples, and more information on the KSC2 DCT series tactile switches, visit ckswitches.com.